Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SolidWorks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this lecture is very important for a beginner, a student. And guys, this body is a wave filler design. This part and this body is a wave filler design, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a 2D drafting is also available here, and this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and all geometry is looking here easily and clearly. And this is a final product is a stop wall project, and all part is one by one is a design here, and last is this body is assemble here. Okay, this is isometric view and all dimension in millimeter. Okay, and this is a this body is a wave filler design, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly, and all geometry is looking perfect, and all 2D drafting is also available here. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first some setting is a very important. uh, Going to this plain white and option, and document properties, and going to image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, and at first select a plane is a front plane is better, and this distance is a 43 millimeter, and angle is 60-degree angle, and this is a axis this is axis line, and this distance is a 14 millimeter is radius, and 28 millimeter is radius. But this 28 millimeter is radius, then 56 millimeter diameter, and this diameter is a 28 millimeter, and this radius is 14 millimeter, is both is same, but this is a radius and this is a diameter. Okay, at first select a plane is a front plane is better, and two axis is drawing here a reference line. Okay, two line is a one by one is drawing here, because this line is a very important. This two line is a reference line. Okay, and at first select a line is a select this or drawing a inclined line, and select this line, and going to mirror and mirror about this. Okay, and again select a line and connect to both. Okay, and this is a connect to this. Okay, and all dimension is available here. This at first drawing a this distance is a 14 millimeter is perfect, and this distance is a 28 millimeter. Okay, and this angle is a 60-degree angle, and this distance is a 43 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and okay, this is a 43 millimeter, and all is a perfect. Okay, this is a 43 millimeter is perfect, and all is looking perfect and correct. Okay, and going to this revolve boss base, and select this axis about axis of revolution, and select this axis, and this is a this preview is showing here. Click OK. Okay, this body is drawing a 3D, and help of this 2D drafting, 2D geometry, and material is apply here this going to steel, and going to this is a brushed steel, and okay, and again select a polished steel is better. Okay, this is a perfect and correct in isometric view. Okay, and okay, this fifth pillar design is all point is one by one is drawing here easily and clearly, and this body is drawing here. Okay, all point is learn here easily and clearly, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.